Right, guys, that's right. It's 5 o'clock in the morning right now. We have the boom truck here, you guys can see. On our cranes, on site. Got the boom ready to host this bad boy up to the roof. Guys, this is what it takes to be an HV technician, an HVAC boss. This is what it takes to be in business, guys. You gotta make it happen. 5 o'clock in the morning, we're here on site, making shit work, baby. Stay tuned. Hvac. Mi gente, guys, we here in Long Beach, New York, doing an emergency replacement, guys. That's right, we're changing out the air handler, you guys can see right behind me, and we're also changing the outdoor condenser, which is on the roof. Guys, this job was an emergency because we have a heat wave going on, and hey, I'm gonna show you today what it takes to install this air conditioning unit today. Let's go. Hvac.
Llama New York Caldero, fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general, va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero, fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero.
It's Louie the Boiler Man, your HVAC hobby, straight from New York Boiler and air conditioning repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long. Hvac.
Louie, 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 Louie. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Louie. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ya llegó el aire. Louie, 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 Louie. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Louie. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general, va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero.
It's Louie the Boiler Man, your HVAC hobby, straight from New York Boiler and air conditioning repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long. Hvac.
Louie, 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 Louie. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Louie. sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente. Estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Louie, 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 Lou. Louie, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero.
It's Louie the Boiler Man, your HVAC party, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long.
Louie, 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 Lou. Louie, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Lou. Esa casa está caliente. Estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente. Estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Louie, 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 Lou. Louie, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero.
It's Louie the Boiler Man, your HVAC party, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long.
Louie, 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 Lou. Louie, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Lou.
Mi gente, it's Louie the Boiler Man. It's AC season, and we just finished wrapping up this installation. Also, I would say a replacement because they had a full 4-ton unit R22 system, about 30 years old. That shit had to go. So guys, right now through the middle of this heat wave, we making shit happen. So guys, let me show you the condenser. I know some guys are gonna critic a couple of things. Listen, I'm here to install and replace and do the right thing for the customer. And there's something that you have no control over. For example, which I'm sure you guys are gonna say something you're gonna critic, which why is the condenser so close to the chimney? Well, you can see this is where the existing condenser was at before. You can see this is where the support brackets are at, and this is the way they want it done, and this is the way the inspector wants it because that's what's existing. So there's only so much I can do. Yes, I can move this out a little bit, but then they will complain that was just got too much. So for those reasons, that's why it stays the way it was or the way it is. So, but I do agree, it should come out away from the floor a little bit, or the chimney, I should say, on 2 inches, for it to circulate some air. Hey, it is what it is, guys. So we got this done. We finished installing the air handler downstairs. We replaced it with a nice, beautiful train for an Oxbox. Guys, it's cooling, it's working. That's what the customer wants, and of course, the work got to be done correctly. But again, just for your viewers who are watching, sometimes you have no control of things. You got to do what you got to do, and you got to improvise. So in this case, I have to improvise with what I got. But this is new. The disconnect switch is new. The wick is new. It's cooling. We got AC, baby, and it's AC season. Guys, if you have any comments, please leave a comment below. Smash that bell button, and I'd love to hear from you guys, so make sure you leave a comment. Guys, without further ado, one other thing. Don't forget to subscribe below. Hey, and again, you want to holler at Louie the Boiler Man, locally here in the Long Island, South Nassau, Long Island, 516-377-520. Until next time, wepa! Woo!
It's Revan. Yeah, the truck.